Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I have a very blue eyeshadow look inspired by my nails. I painted my nails in this very fun blue, dark blue, and I thought, oh my gosh, let's do a blue eyeshadow look. And yeah, so if you are interested or curious to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with Moira's Waterproof Peptide Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just going to apply this on all over the lids. For this look, I'm going to be using Moira's Let's Get Carried Away palette, and I'm going to go in with the blues on this palette. I'll be applying Me Time using this fluffy eyeshadow brush and then just applying it on the outer corners or outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. Now that I have the first shade on the lids, I'm going to apply On Time, that very darker blue, with a fluffier eyeshadow brush. So it looks a little bit more pointier than the first one. Now that I've darkened up the outer and inner corners with that very dark blue, I want to let the middle part stand out. So I'm going to apply Are You Ready? And it looks like a grayish bluish shade, and it's gonna be applied all over the center using my finger. I'm realizing now that the shade is actually a silver. I said grayish blue, but it's a silver shade, so it looks like this. And now I'm going to go ahead with some eyeliner. I am applying the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. I went ahead and applied the eyeliner off camera, and now I'm going to go straight to eyelashes. For eyelashes, I'm applying these eyelashes I bought at Miniso. They look like this. Whole lot of volume, very cute. And this is what they look like off the package. Oop. So fun. Do we see a difference here? Yeah, a little bit. To go for the face now, I am going to be priming using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. For foundation, I'll be applying the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is in the shade N1. For concealer, I'll be applying the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is the shade Light Ivory L200. For bronzer, I'm going to be applying this cream bronzer by Tower 28. This one is in the shade Sculptino, Broad. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Koza's setting powder in the shade Cloud Set. For blush, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics So Natural Glow Play Cushiony Blush. I think the shade is called So Natural. For highlight, I'm using the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Enlighten. For my lower lash line, I'm using the same shade I used on the top, Me Time, from this palette, and with the same eyeshadow brush, and then just apply it all over. I'm going to darken it up just a little bit using the same shade I applied as well on the top, On Time, from this palette, and using the same brush as well, and just darken it up a little bit. I'm going to be applying eyeliner on my waterline, so I'll be using the Sephora Eye Pencil To Go in the shade Navy Blue Matte. For mascara, I'm using the Tower 28 mascara in the shade Jet. For brows, I'm using the Moira Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Moving on to lips, I'll be applying for lip liner, ColourPop's Lippy Pencil in the shade Boys Town, and lipstick Rare Beauty's matte lipstick in the shade Worthy. To set my face, I'll be using a Makeup by Mario setting spray. And we reached the end of the video with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!